On Friday morning, relatives, friends and supporters of former Inspector General of Police General Kale Kayihura trooped to the military court-martial ahead of his much-anticipated appearance before the army. Some donned black t-shirts with the picture of the four-star general. Later, General Kayihura, who was the police chief for 13 years, emerged for the first time in public since he was arrested from his village home in Detained on 13th June. He has been in detention in Makindye military barracks for 72 days. The courtroom was filled to capacity. General Kayihura listened attentively as the court-martial chairman, Lieutenant General Andrew Guti, read to him the charges.
General Kale Kayihura, between the year 2010 and 2018, on various occasions, allowed the issue of arms and ammunition to unauthorized persons, to wit, members of Boda 2010, headed by one Abdallah Kitata. General Kale Kayihura, between the year 2010 and 2018, failed to supervise and ensure accountability for the arms and ammunition issued to units referred to as specialized under the office of the IGP, with Flying Squad Unit, Specialized Operation Unit, Count 3, aiding or abetting kidnapping from Uganda, contrary to Section 19, subsection 1, clause C, and Section 242 of the Criminal Code Act, Cap 120. Particulars of the offense. General Kale Kayihura, between the year 2012 and 2016, by omission and commission, aided and abetted the actions of subordinate police officers and others on various occasions without indolence to kidnap and illegally repatriate Rwandan exiles, refugees and Uganda citizens to Rwanda.
General Kayihura denied all the charges. Failure to protect war materials, which contravenes Section 122 of the UPDF Act, attracts a maximum sentence of death. His lawyers from Kampala Associated Advocates made a verbal bail application, but the court-martial chairman asked the lawyers to put their request in writing. In their argument, the defense lawyers cited some cases in the past where the same court granted bail to other army officers without a written application.
My Lord, I specifically refer to the case of the late Major General James Kayihura, and the case of Colonel Shaban Bantabila.
You alone can determine whether a piece of paper or what we have beseeched you should stand between him and a long weekend, to be with his family, sleep on his bed, stretch his legs, to walk and breathe the air of freedom.
General Kayihura's daughter was seated next to her mother Angela Kayihura in brother, broke down after court deferred the decision on whether to grant her father bail. As has been the practice, senior army officers are not tried by court chaired by an officer of a junior rank. Lieutenant General Guti is a rank lower than General Kayihura. However, General Kayihura did not object the panel. His lawyers say their client recorded his first statement on Tuesday, yet he has been in detention since 13th June.
Yes, he wrote a statement 2 days back, Tuesday, in our presence. And the statement was as a result of question and answers. And this had nothing to do with that has come out.
We sought some reactions from the people who attended the court session.
He's given his life to the state. So Personally, I see an injustice that he's been kept in custody for 72 days without trial, and he's not been given bail today. Every Ugandan deserves justice and a right to have bail if they have sureties. So it is the state on trial.
How can you put all these claims on Gen.Kayihura, on what he has made this country to be?
The military court-martial will next week decide on whether to grant bail to the former Inspector General of Police General Kale Kayihura or not. Although he has been incarcerated for too long without trial, his lawyers said that Kayihura was happy with the way the military police treated him with dignity while in jail. Sudil Yaruhanga, NTV Makindye.